Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements. Android 6, 0 or newer and a charged controller. This prevents connection failures. Once done, put the controller into its manufacturer-specific pairing mode, usually a long press of the home or pairing button, so Android can see it. Then, open Settings, tap Connected Devices, and choose Pair New Device. This initiates discovery. You do this now because active pairing mode is necessary for visibility. Without it, the phone won't list the controller. After you tap the controller name in Bluetooth, accept any PIN or on-screen prompt. Some controllers use 0000 or 1234 automatically. Once connected, test buttons in Settings under Physical Keyboard or use a controller test app to confirm axes and buttons register. If button layout doesn't match your game, install a mapping app or use the game's controller settings to remap inputs. This step ensures controls are logical and avoids finalize by launching your game and confirming the controller is the input source. Disable virtual touch controls where applicable so inputs don't conflict. If the controller drops or buttons lag, repair it first, then clear the Bluetooth cache in Settings apps show system Bluetooth storage and restart the phone. This often resolves pairing glitches. If problems persist, update the controller firmware or the phone system updates to fix protocol compatibility. One key tip: always test after each change to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.